Are you happy, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of Mittu and the mango. Once there was a parrot. His name was Mittu. He saw a big yellow mango. He wanted it. There was a big black crow. He said, "Go away, go away." There was a red balloon under the tree. Mittu saw the red balloon. The crow was sitting on a branch of the tree. His face was on another side. Mittu went behind the tree with the balloon. Mittu brushed the balloon. The crow flew away. Mittu ate the yellow mango. He so happy. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye.